Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing the process of creating a sticker sheet, the way I do it. And right now you can see how I sketch around until I have the figures that I like. So this time I am sketching a little squirrel which his name is G. And I'm creating 4 different poses. This is a speed up version of the sketches, obviously. And right now I'm creating the line art. Now I'm coloring the lines. I really love pastel colors and pink and baby colors. I'm going over the line art for this pose because it didn't come out as sharp as I wanted it to be. Now I'm doing the light and the shadows. Now I'm going over the shapes and creating a white silhouette for the Cricut to know how to cut them. Now I'm in Photoshop and I'm organizing the shapes around the paper. This is where it would actually place and cut each shape. So I have 2 different layers. One is for the top cut and the other one for the background cut. This is the background, this is the top. Now I'm inside Cricut. And I did actually film the whole Cricut process, but it's disappeared. I'm using a washi tape pressure for the top cut. This is how my printer prints it. Pretty cute. Now I'm just using this Cricut page, or however you call it, and attaching it. And I'm loading that page to the Cricut machine by clicking this button. And now I click the go button. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, I have 4 layers of the background on top of each other attached. That's why the machine cuts all the way through the paper for the background, and only one time for the actual shapes. This is the end result. And this is a close-up of the end result. Now, see how it looks when I peel it off. And I stick it in my favorite notebook. I hope you enjoyed this process/tutorial video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and expect a new video every Tuesday. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.